It's 6:40. Just got up. Cindy's getting ready, and we're about to get out of here. First mission is probably to find some coffee, and then we're on the road for 4 hours or so. This place was pretty interesting. What's going on? Good morning. Morning, love.
Good morning.
How'd you sleep last night?
Good.
Good. I slept like crap last night. Cindy's driving, so I can get some more sleep, and then probably start on some editing. And then in 3.5 hours or so, we're gonna be.
Onto North Interstate 35.
3 hours or so, we're gonna be at Caverns of Sonora, and then right after that, we're gonna drive to Carlsbad Caverns. So a lot of driving today, and we're gonna be in caves for the other part of the day. Cindy, have you killed enough bugs?
I think I've killed too many bugs. I hit a bird. I hit a bird.
Wait, what?
I hit a bird.
Why did you hit a bird?
When you were sleeping and it came on the windshield and just went, and I think I killed it.
Look, you killed a bird.
I think I killed a bird. Rip.
So we just arrived at the Caverns of Sonora. Hopefully we can go, because you're supposed to have reservations, and we didn't do that. So we just showed up. Maybe they'll let us go, I don't know. But hopefully all this driving wasn't for nothing. Hi, is there tours going on today?
Yes, I have one that's fixing to go down if you'd like to get on it.
Yes, please.
And we're gonna go down at 10:45.
Perfect.
Okay.
You got lucky, cool. All right, we're leaving in 5 minutes.
To go?
To go.
All right.
And it's what I try to, don't think I should. You'll lead me back, and it'll lead me to our shrunken mid. Slowly splitting, and to be too bleak and to feel hollow. Be reminded of lucidity so long ago.
Babe.
Had to keep me happy and keep me happy when I say.
So we just drove 4.5 hours to New Mexico, and we just got to Carlsbad Caverns, and the caverns are closed now. So Now we got to drive straight through to Albuquerque and then straight through to Arizona. So not gonna be much going on. Be a very boring vlog right now, and it's gonna be a long night and a lot of driving.
Yep. Long night. Okay. That's all I had to say. What do you want me to say?
It'll lead me back to you and to you.